As Kenya is hit by severe drought following 4 failed rainy seasons, ripple effects of the crisis are felt across the country. Marsabit County in northern Kenya, one of the worst hit areas, has seen an increasing school dropout rate.
This is Silapani Primary Schools, one of the schools that have been highly affected by drought here in Marsabit. Education has been affected massively, according to the authorities. For example, in this class, if you look, you will see that there are many gaps as many of the children are absent. I'm told that in this school there's a total of 88 children, but today only 46 attended, just slightly more than half.
Many students have to travel a long way to get to school. Lack of drinking water and food makes the journey more difficult.
So most of our learners here come from far distance, around 5 kilometers, some 6 kilometers, and they are getting difficulties while coming to school. Usually going back also is a problem. They're getting difficulties on the way, especially the young ones. Like some feel dusty, might not able to reach the village if they don't carry water.
Corona school ngata bogi. Kiki to na shida nada. Mata na kata inda. Mata ba kata to school ta na tata. Am ko tata dong kira no to atum. Kiki na ka mata nda. Ana dog ko tangka. Eta bagu da kata to babang ko am pele shai. Mata bangun da kata bang to so kata bagana lama. Bagti pa. Ko to bugo ya ba kata. Ya shomo to da school. Mata baganda di na school. Odo mo to ka kampara na to ka da ki mi ti pa. Acho mana sekarang na kata ata mana ye jire mi atuma kata na ko kan pele shai ata mata lo acho musaga tum ko kan pe na lo soro lunguma ada yara ka funga kata mi te bag chimpi mi te ata guruma ka penya tama mi ka ta bagu da shai kita mang guruma ngole ko ai.
Some other children just quit classes to help their parents at home.
The drought has affected education in a big way because one, in schools, children have been withdrawn to herd the livestock, particularly small stock. Others, particularly for the girls, have been withdrawn to help their mothers do fetch water.
The Kenyan government has offered food relief and financial assistance to households in drought-affected areas. However, persistent drought has left the country with a resource gap of more than $126 million for interventions required in critical sectors such as health, nutrition, water, agriculture, and education.